And now it's time to play some baseball between the Franklin and Associates Fidgets and the Brothers Associates Bandits. All right, we have Bandits on the field, Fidgets in your dugout. It's game time. We're ready to roll here. Leading off at the top of the first for the Fidgets, it's Mark Costello. Nice hit by Mark. Coming up next, number 7, Liam Yurashevitz. Oh, no, number 2, Brandon Cologne. Nice hit by Brandon. Everybody moves up a base. Coming to the plate next is... Who's up next, Jack? Who do we got next? Okay, coming up to the plate, it's Brody Piper. Hit up the middle. Brody just had a conversation with his bat. Seemed to work. Coming up next, it's Liam Yurashevitz. Only took me a full season to get to say that name right. He hits a first pitch right up the middle. Mark coming in to score. He's safe at the plate. Coming up next for the Fidgets, number 6, James Giuliano. All right, let's hit for James. Beautiful bunt right in front of the plate. It's perfect. Brandon's going to come in to score. Brandon's safe at the plate. We got 7-time All-Star, 5-time MVP, Miracle League veteran, Jacob Neely. Foul ball. Southpaw swing. Fair enough. Miracle League, we have big fat foul lines. Brody comes in to score, stomps on the plate, does a little celebration. Brody will be signing autographs after the game, only $10 a pop. Batting next, Tristan Schultz.
Hey, Coach Mike.
Tristan, I hate to tell you, you're not going to see better pitches than that. There's a nice hit up down the third baseline. Liam comes in to score. Now coming to the plate, it's number 1, Julia Toscan. He's hit down the third baseline. Went down low to get that one. James is strolling home to score for the Fidgets. Coming up next, it's Charles Hahn. Hit by Charles. Fair enough. Go ahead, Charles. Or not. A fair ball down the third baseline. Jacob coming in to score. Batting next for the Fidgets, it's Dylan Fortin. All right, this is the last batter, so we're running all the way around on this one, all the way around. For bunt right down the third baseline. Dylan takes off. Tristan coming in to score. Running like there's a pretty lady at the plate. He's safe. Come on, everybody. Julia, Charles, come all the way around. Come on, Charles, keep going. Here comes Charles. He's safe. Okay, Julia. You're safe. Dylan's still making his way around. Come on, Dylan, all the way around, all the way around. Show us that speed, Dylan. He's going to stop and sign some autographs. Come on, Dylan. Here he comes. He hits third. Now he's heading home. Show us your speed, Dylan. Here he comes. He just needs a helping hand. Anybody but Mom. And he is safe at the plate. The score in the middle of the first inning is the Franklin Fidgets 9 and the Brothers Bandits coming to bat. Now for the Bandits. She's a 5-time All-Star, a 7-time MVP. hit 36 home runs last season. It's Margaret Todd.
Margaret. Big hit, Margaret. Big hit. Swing hard, Margaret. You can do it. Best one. Yeah.
Oh, down the first base line. She's going to hit you first.
15.
Coming up next, another Miracle League veteran. He has a .455 batting average. When the green side of his jingle ball is facing up, it's A.J. Odell Schilling. Beautiful hit down the third base side. Julian makes a nice stop. Margaret heading to second. All right, here she comes. She's been around as long as I have, I think. It's Rebecca Santos.
Oh, God!
Swing like you're mad at Nick. There you go.
Let's go!
Beautiful hit down the first baseline. All right, coming to the plate now with the bases loaded. Another Miracle League veteran. He took a year or two off. He was playing with the major leagues. Came back to play with us. It's Jack Whitman. Foul ball, foul ball. There we go, nice hit. Put everything into that one. Coming in to score is Margaret Todd. And her very deliberate pace. She's safe at the plate. All right, leading off the second inning.
There you go.
There we go. Down the third baseline. Brandon's coming in to score. Jaden makes a nice play. Coming up next, it's Dylan Fortin.
Good hit, girl. All right, Dylan.
2 hands, Dylan. Nice hit, right up the middle. Brody coming in to score. Here he comes, picking up the speed. He's in fourth gear. He's safe. All right, coming to the plate next, it's Charles Hahn.
Go, Charles. Charles. Like it.
Nice hit towards second. Jacob coming in to score. All right, here he comes. The man, the myth, the legend, Tristan Schultz. Nice hit, ripped down the third baseline. Julia's coming in to score. All right, we have our last batter coming up for the Fidgets. It's Liam Yurashevitz. Last batter, so we're running all the way around, folks, all the way around. Full hit down the second base. Charles is coming around to score. Brody's right behind him. Tristan's behind him. Come on, Charles, show us that speed. Here he comes. Tristan heading home. Come on, Tristan. He is safe at the plate. Dylan, come on. Dylan, you gotta come in and hit home plate. Or not, that's okay. Liam coming around, heading home. Come on, Liam. Strolling in like he owns the place. He is safe. Score in the middle of the second inning is the Fidgets 20 and the Bandits 10. It's one of the associates of the brothers herself, Rebecca Santos.
Rebecca, Nick just stole your candy. Give it a rip. Get mad. Ooh, right there, Rebecca. You gotta catch up.
Almost takes off the pitcher's head. It's a $20 bonus if you knock the pitcher down. Almost did it. Coming up next, it's Abigail Konopaski.
You can do it. Another big hit like last time.
Hit down the third baseline. All right, here he comes. A Miracle League veteran. He's been around for a long time.
At least 30 years.
It's Dad says 30 years. Seems more like 40. It's A.J. Odell Schilling. Nice hit by AJ. Tristan making a play. Coming up next, another Miracle League long-timer, Gabe Dell. It's the first pitch down the short. Rebecca coming in to score. She is safe. She's got the bases look. She's got 72 home runs and 161 RBIs just this season. It's Margaret Todd.
Nice and hard, Margaret. Smack that ball. Coach Mike's face on the ball. Hit it hard.
Got it, Margaret. Kick it.
Margaret. Ball's afraid of you. Right through, right? Yeah! There we go!
Beautiful hit up the middle. Abigail power walking into home plate. She is safe. All right, here he comes, rolling up to the plate. Mr. Jack Whitman.
Jack, do you want the team or do you want pitchers?
Yeah, do you want a tee or do you want to hit it? You said tee.
There we go.
Nice hit by Jack. Takes the brakes off and heads to first, popping a wheelie. AJ scores. All right, be awake out there. Be awake. We got a big hitter. He hit the ball hard last time. It's Jaden Hainsley.
Oh, big cut. There it is. Good try, good try. Reach it all the way, Jaden.
Nice hit up the middle. Shoeless Gate coming in to score. He slides into home. Right, another Miracle veteran. It's Mr. America himself, Benjamin Cantwell.
Hands down, Ben. Go up and can. There we go. Got a piece of it, Ben.
Big hit. Perseverance pays off. Margaret Todd strolling into home. She is safe at the plate. Coming up next, it's Austin Lemoyne. Big hit from Austin. Jack wheeling into home. He's got a smile on his face like he wants to run somebody over. I can see it in his face. He's safe. All right, our final batter. With the bases loaded. He's got a 722 batting average when the bases are loaded on a Sunday afternoon before 4 p.m. It's Cashin Simpson. Nice hit.
Yes, Cashin.
Come on,
Run,
Jade.
Cashin, run.
Jade not stepping on the line. Zigzagging back and forth. He said, keep going, Benjamin. Here comes Ben. Benjamin's safe at the plate. High five later. You got to score first. Austin's safe. And Cashin's safe. The final score. Who would have guessed it's another miracle tie? The Fidgets 20 and the Bandits 20.